Hi, I'm Adam Stanton with Land Pro Equipment's Precision Farming Division, and today I'm going to show you how to update a Starfire 6000 receiver using a 4640 display. First, we're going to come to Stellar Support on our laptop, and then we're going to go to Software Updates, Generation 4 4640 display software updates. If we come down to Download Now, there's also installation instructions and help videos in Stellar. So once it downloads Software Manager, we're going to come in and we're going to find our flash drive in this bar here. Once we find our flash drive, we're going to click Do All. And then as each one of these completes, the green bar is going to turn solid and it's going to say Done. Once everything is done, you can remove your flash drive and come to the display. Once at the display, you can insert your flash drive on the side here. And wait for the message to pop up. When this pops up, you want to install the software. You're going to be installing from a USB drive, and then you're going to want to view updates for the display. Here you can see all the updates that this display wants to do that it pulled off the flash drive. We're going to go ahead and do all these updates. So we're going to click Install. We're going to go ahead and click Accept. And then it's going to go through all these preparing to install, installing software, and processing installation. To update the receiver with your flash drive containing software from Software Manager directly through the receiver, you're going to insert your flash drive. Then you're going to come to your display, click on the receiver, and then down to your files, it's going to give you an option to update the receiver. It'll automatically populate your update. You click your update, then update. This way of updating the receiver usually takes 3 to 6 minutes.